Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul from Glam. They were so generous and sent this over to me, and I also have a discount code of Glam. So I will link it below, and if you click on that URL, the discount code in conjunction will work, and it's for 30% off. So excited for that. So, Glam sent over 2 nude colors. They asked if I wanted nude or colorful, and I'm completely ready for fall, so I said definitely send me over the nude ones. So I got Creme Brulee and XOXO, and then they sent their top coat and their base coat, which you can never have enough top coats and base coats. And then they sent over their little mini lamp, which I hear these are really good for a prey type nails, like easier way to do it. That is so bright, I am sorry. So this will be perfect. You know what I also thought of? So my lamp is like 9 years old at this point, and the fact, oh my goodness, how cute is this little guy? And I was like, oh my God, I wonder, I think these come out, if like it'll just randomly die on me. And I didn't have another lamp. I was actually looking for another lamp to see if like to have it as a backup or to have both just on my desk, like one on each side. And now I don't have to worry about it dying on me because now I have this little mini lamp. So you can see the little LEDs down there. And I don't know, is this a rechargeable one? Because that would be a game changer. So on off, it has 45 and 60. It is a 6 watt, and I believe my lamp is a 9. So let's get to swatching. I'm really happy about this because, like I said, I literally have been wondering if mine's gonna die. Like, mine is so old. So there's a whole base and something that goes in there, but like this guy, he's been through a lot. Although he was like, back in the day, I think he was like $350. Yeah, so he better last a long time. Okay, let's swatch these bad boys. Okay, so I'm going to take Creme Brulee. I'm gonna bring you in. Creme Brulee, and this guy is a, say, medium tone nude. Really pretty. Now, you guys know I like to scrape on my gels to see the coverage, to see how well they go on. That's pretty good. You could probably do 1 coat. Had a little something something on the stick. That's a 1 coat coverage if you ask me. I'm actually pretty impressed because this is an affordable brand. Like, anybody can get this, which is what I'm trying to add to my channel. All right, so XOXO. Let's see. This is like a pretty plum kind of brown. Let's take that thin coat again. So you can do this one super sheer. This one is a little bit thicker than the other one. Might help if I was in frame. It almost feels like builder in a bottle consistency. It's interesting. But you could easily do a 1 coat coverage if you wanted to, but I would probably do this one in 2 coats because I think you're going to get the best coverage. I usually do 2 coats unless I have like a lot of stamping over it, then I would only do 1. Okay, going in with the second coat. Yeah, that second coat really gets you. Okay, I'm going to take the top coat. Oh, I like the brush on the top coat. Like, do you remember the old Light Elegance top coat? The one I was using for a very long time and it was super tiny and then they just upgraded it. Thank God, because I hated that brush. It was terrible. So I'm so glad they updated it because it was pretty bad. Okay, is it tack free? It is not. So just wipe that off. And these are the 2 colors that they sent. They also sent that base coat. So you guys know I like a soak off base coat, which this is a soak off base coat. So I'm almost to the end of my gelish one. So I'll probably switch to this and I'll let you guys know how that performance is. Really excited for that. So all right, I hope you guys liked the colors. I have an idea in my head already for potentially a tutorial, so I'll let you know if I get somewhere with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.